Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I will teach you that how you can create an effective thumbnail for your YouTube videos very easily, and I will show you that which software I use for making YouTube videos thumbnail. So if you visit our channel first time, then subscribe, press on bell icon. You will find this type of videos very quickly on your mobile PC or laptop. So now let's start the video without wasting any time. So I use Photoshop 7.0 version. You can also use latest version as 2019-20 and also 2018. So now click on file, new. This is the actual size of creating a thumbnail. So this is 1280 multiplied by 720 HD. So you can click on OK. So now I want to add some picture on my thumbnail. So I already save a photo from pexel.com. You can also uh, download free store pictures. Now I click on, this is very HD pictures. So let me remove it. No. So I open new one. Okay, let's paste it. Now Control T, Shift plus Alt, and let me scroll them. Now click the right and then do the same procedure again. Control Z because a little bit of frame is disturbed, and now do same again. Click on Shift and let me pick. Now we have to write something about in which video you want to paste your thumbnail. So I want to create a thumbnail, how to create a YouTube channel. As you can see, here is the logo of YouTube, and now it is our choice, your choice, in which color you want to write. So I have to write something on how to create. It's your creativity, how you can make a thumbnail very effectively. There is a lot of type of creating thumbnails, so it looks like simple and effective. First of all, I try the white color. uh, Control T. If you don't want to choose this type of uh, writing, then you can click here and use different ones. There is a lot of writings. Yeah, so let me select some good writing here. No. The writing at that mostly I use is here, but I can't find it. It looks like more beautiful. How to create YouTube, how to create YouTube CH channel in 2021. So we have to put some good direction. Yes, and we have some more writing. How to create YouTube channel 2021 step by step. Step by step. Now click on the selection tool, then paste here and Control T and adjust as you want. So it looks like more beautiful. So now we have to create add some shadows. So now we click on how to create, select from here, right click, blending option, go to the, we will add some now. First of all, inner shadow, and opacity little bit. When you add the shadows, it attracts your writing to the viewer. Now you can see that how to create looks like more effective than the YouTube channel in 2021. So now our 2 11 13. So we will add all from here. Blending option, shadow 2 11 13. Blending option, drop shadow 2 11 13. Okay, same procedure. Okay, 2 11 13. Okay, so now it's look like more beautiful, very look like very simple, but the writing shows it looks like very beautiful. So if you want to add some more things, you can easily add. So let me think about which thing will be good to add here. How to create YouTube channel step by step. I think it looks like more beautiful. So if you want to save this file, click on file, save as, and then select the file JPG. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching this video. Share with your friends so they can also earn money online. Thanks for watching this video.